Which corded electric lawn mower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. The Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, priced at $599.99. If you want ultimate control and cutting performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this mower stands out. The Select Cut multi-blade system promises superior cutting that beats gas mowers, making it ideal for tackling tough grass. With a 21-inch cutting width and a high-efficiency brushless motor, it runs for about 60 minutes on a single charge, which means fewer interruptions for you. Plus, the touch drive technology gives you precise control over your mowing speed, ranging from 0.9 mph to 3.1 mph, perfect for those tricky spots in your yard. With 1,400 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's a favorite among buyers. Here's the thing though, if you want a reliable mower that performs exceptionally, the investment could save you headaches in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large lawn and need a dependable mower. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option though. It's a solid choice for its performance and features, just remember you're investing in quality. Product number 2, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K Electric Mower. Next up is the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K Electric Mower, which is super affordable at just $114.99. If you're after powerful performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This mower packs an 11-amp motor that churns out 3,300 RPM, making it easy to slice through thick grass. It features a 15-inch cutting width and 5 adjustable cutting heights between 1.4 inches and 3 inches, so you can customize your cut based on your lawn's needs. The 7-gallon collection bag makes for easy cleanup too. Weighing in at only 28 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around tight corners. With over 4,300 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear this mower has satisfied lots of customers. Now, some users found the cutting width a bit small for larger yards. But honestly, for smaller and medium-sized lawns, it's a fantastic choice that won't leave you exhausted after mowing. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight mower for a small to medium lawn. Skip this if you have a larger property that requires more cutting width. At this price, you're getting great value for your money. Product number 3, Black Plus Decker 20-inch Corded Mower. The Black Plus DECKER 20-inch corded electric lawn mower is next, priced at $244. If you want versatility and power, this is worth a serious look. With a powerful 13-amp motor, it can handle thick grass and overgrowth with ease. The height adjustment is a breeze with a single lever, allowing you to set it between 1.5 and 4 inches. What's impressive is the Edge Max deck design, which helps you get closer to the edges of your lawn, minimizing the need for trimming afterward. With about 1,400 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's popular among users. Now, some complaints mention that it can be a bit heavy for some. But let's be real, if you're looking for a mower that gets the job done efficiently, that extra weight might just translate into better durability. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized yard and want a mower that can handle various conditions. Skip this if you need something ultra-lightweight. For the features and performance, it's definitely worth what you're paying. Product number 4, Black Plus Decker Electric Lawn Mower Combo. Now let's talk about the Black Plus DECKER Electric Lawn Mower, Weed Eater, and Edger 3-in-1 combo, priced at just $69. This one is a game changer for small yards or those needing versatility. If you want a multifunctional tool without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. The automatic feed spool allows for uninterrupted work, and it easily converts from a mower to an edger. Plus, it's lightweight and has an adjustable handle, making it comfortable to use. With around 9,600 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's quite popular. Some users reported it not being powerful enough for thicker grass. But honestly, it's designed for smaller, well-kept lawns, so if that's your situation, it works beautifully. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and need a lightweight, versatile mower. Skip this if you have a larger lawn with tough grass. For the price, you're getting an excellent value with this combo. Product number 5. Lawn Master Electric Lawn Mower 12 Amp. Finally, we have the Lawn Master Electric Lawn Mower 12 Amp, costing $149.99. If you need a reliable mower with great performance, this is worth a serious look. With a powerful 12 amp motor and a generous 19-inch cutting width, it's designed to handle various lawn sizes efficiently. Weighing only 35 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, making mowing less of a chore. It has received about 3,500 reviews with a solid 4-star rating. Now, some users have reported that it can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the cutting performance is worth the slight bulkiness. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized lawn that needs quick maintenance. Skip this if you prefer something ultra-compact. Considering its features, it's a good value for the performance it delivers. To wrap it up, the Ego Power Plus is your best bet for performance, while the Lawn Master MEB 1114K offers budget-friendly power. The Black Plus DECKER 20-inch is great for versatility, and the 3-in-1 combo is perfect for small yards. Lastly, the Lawn Master 12 Amp balances power and maneuverability. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your lawn care needs best.